Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a word tracker in an input, so that it track a word in an input. So for that you go, or actually we will create something that search a word in an input. So if it finds the word, it will do something. So for that you go in your HTML page. You create the input and you give a type of text and also an ID of text. Then you create a paragraph with the ID of found, but you put nothing here. Then you create another input and with the type of button, and you're gonna give the value of, for example, we want to search the word of money, if to see if the money is written or not. So we'll write money detector, so it will detect if the money word is written or not. Value money detector, and you're gonna write on click. So when you're gonna click the button, it will run a function, for example find money. Then you go down, you write script, and then we create the function find money, and you create a variable a that will be equal to the value of this input. Document.get element by ID, we're gonna search the ID of the input text. So for me is text dot value. So it will get something like this. So this is the value of the input. Then you go down and you write if, and here you write a dot index of is bigger than -1, so it will track the word. For example, here you put the word that you want to track, to search. So for me it will be money. So if it detects the word money, it will do something. So for me it will be write found in the paragraph. So for that you go here and you write document.get element by ID. You take the ID of the paragraph. For me it's found, then that inner text, so we will write the text found. So if you write if it detects money, it will write found. Then you go on the style and you write found, so this, and I want a text color of red. So now if we go on Google and we click on the button, nothing will happen. But if we write money and we click on money detector, it will write found. But other thing it can do is, for example, you write case, let's say cut money without a space, and you click money detector, it will write found, because it will find the word even if it's not separate. So that's how we track a word in the input. If you would like to know how to track a word in the page, like in the text, in a div, or in a paragraph, it will be in the next video. I hope that you loved this video, and bye.